Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kayla, Crafty Pen Pal Mama. So this is a project share for Souarts. In my unboxing video, I shared this kit I received. So it came in the box like this, and it is DIY sublimation keychain blanks. And if you didn't see that video, I'll recap right quick. So it comes with all these different keychains. You've got keychains here. Plain keychains, keychains with chains on them. You get this ribbon, red ribbon. You get these little snaps, which go in the holes of the keychains. Sorry, that's my pliers. You get some jump rings, some of those sturdy, heavy-duty jump rings. And then you get your blanks. There's hearts, the dog bone, circles, squares, rectangles, houses. Yeah, I believe I've kept it all together. So, and this bag of tassels. So I wanted to share right quick something I created for a friend. I used one of the heart-shaped blanks, and I created this little keychain for a friend. Now, I did use it a different way other than sublimation, but I wanted to share, so I actually just used a sequin mix from a project. This is going to be with a swap. So I took the sequin mix and my hot glue and put it all over and sprinkled the sequin mix. And then any places that were, blank areas, I went in with my fine tip glue and did some pink and some gold glitter just here and there to fill it in. This is the clasp here at the top. You can see I got some sequins in the way so it doesn't move a whole lot, but that is how it clasps on. And then I used one of the keychains with the chain on it. Here it is. I wanted to use some seam binding, so I actually tied the last jump ring to the little plastic snap with the seam binding and double knotted it. Here's one of the tassels I attached with the jump ring. And then I added a letter D initial on there for her name. Before I did this side, so before it was all textured, I traced out my heart on some decorative paper and then adhered it to the back of that. And I thought that was something really cute to include in a swap. So you don't have to use this for sublimation. It can be for anything. I do plan on making a couple using the sublimation technique or heat transfer with these for my fiance and I. Coincidentally, both of our key markers that go around the key, the little rubber pieces, broke. So now it's mixed in with other keys. So I'm going to use these keychains and make some kind of designs that says home or house key for our house key to hang with. So yeah, hopefully I can get that done pretty soon, and I will post it on Instagram for you guys to check it out. So yeah, that's my little keychain I made. I really love how it came out. I thought it was adorable, and it was really fun to do. So that is my project share for the sublimation keychain blanks. I will have the links in the description for the shop and for the products. And I will try to link the unboxing video as well if you guys want to check that out. And there will be all the links down below, so make sure you check it out. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.